Hi, digital marketers. This is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will try to show you. You already see that Reddit pixel conversion API setup. My today target is I am only set up the pixel. You can say that browser side tracking for e-commerce event. And the next tutorial, I will try to set up the server side tracking. So no more delay. Let's get started. You can see that I'm landing on the ads.reddit.com platform, and I presume that you are already know that how to create the account on Reddit. And after the login process, you can find out this kind of interface. If you are click the three dot or three line, whatever you say, you just go to the event manager section, and if you are ad optimizer, then you can create the campaign from here, and other stuff you have to done from this left hand side menu bar. But my duty is not the set up the ads. I am only focused on the conversion API or pixel setup. So if I am go to my site, you can see that that is our website, and I am go to the tag assistant, and here you can see that I am see that our data layer is all okay with the all event. And I presume that you already know that how to create the tag triggers variable, and also how can connect your website with Google Tag Manager. If you do not yet, you can go to my YouTube channel to check out that my tutorial and create the tag, and connect your website with the Google Tag Manager. And also you can able to know how to create the tag triggers and also the variable in the Google Tag Manager interface. So no more delay, let's dig down. So I am already event manager section of Reddit. So if I am scroll it, configuration every event tracking process, in 2025, Reddit are changing their interface. You know that already, I hope. And you can see that you can also create the Google Tag Manager by Pixel and Conversion API, Shopify, and other interface you have to create. And in the right side, setup manually. So I'm focused on the setup manually. So that is the pixel and conversion API, and pixel only and conversion API only. So just I am copy the pixel ID from here, because I am only need this ID to create the Reddit on the Google Tag Manager. So I am create the pixel ID and back to my Google Tag Manager, and a new tag to create the Reddit pixel, to set up the Reddit pixel tag configuration, and discover the mode tag type complete community gallery. From here, I'm trying to find out the Reddit template. So I'm search on it, Reddit, and here you can see that Reddit pixel, and that is officially launched by Reddit. So I am click on it, add to workspace, and add, and you can see that our Reddit template are attached with our tag. Now I am adding my pixel ID on it. So, and that is the page visit, because firstly I'm just connected to the pixel, a Reddit pixel on my website, and you can also enable the first party cookies and advanced matching. I know that you know that for the page view event, we do not find out any another event. So if I do not another event, so how can I matching with this? So I'm avoid it. Just go to the trigger and all pages, and I am just giving the tag name, that is Reddit pixel with page view, because I am already event select the page visit. So save it, and now I'm go to the Chrome extension and go to the Reddit pixel helper. That is the extension to find out that our event checking. So I am at the Chrome and add extension, and I'm just pin the extension. And now I am go to the preview my website to check out that our Reddit pixel are perfectly attached with our website or not. So continue. That is our website. And if I go to the Reddit pixel helper, here you can see that our event is perfectly working. And now I am back to the pixel configuration. Here you can see that this pixel successfully reporting. And if I am go to the Google Tag Manager Tag Assistant, here you can see that Reddit pixel are working fine. So if I go to the event overview, here you can see that page digit are perfectly working and the curve already find out the one pixel. So we are go to the another event. So if I go to the Google Tag Manager, new event, a new tag configuration, and in the configuration, I'm at the pixel Reddit pixel, and I'm pasting the pixel ID. So for that, I am keep the constant variable because I do not do the repeated work. So I am also create the another event. So I am create the constant variable for Reddit pixel ID. It will help to you have to work optimized Reddit pixel and save it. And we have to set up the add to cart event. And with the currency we have to create. So if I go to the plus sign to create the variable currency, you know that how to create the variable, but I am also showing you that will be that will be easy to understand. So e-commerce the currency. So I'm go to the tag assistant, find out the add to cart event. With the add to cart event, I am pick the currency. So you have to focus on the data layer. If your data layer is okay, you can create any kind of variable. You can set up any kind of event. Here I am pick the e-commerce dot currency. That is the data layer variable. So back to Google Tag Manager, and that is the ready currency. I am already another create the another currency. So I have to understand currency and transaction value, that will be the price. So if I again tag assistant, here is the value, you can see that. So e-commerce dot value. So back to a transaction value plus sign and also plus sign to create the data layer variable, and that will be the data layer variable e-commerce dot value, and then that will be the Reddit value for single product, because we are adding the multiple product value. So we do not mismatch our data layer variable. And that also at item count, you know that for the item count, that is the one, you know that for that two card, we have a one quantity because we do not work with the multiple product for that two card. So I'm just adding the one here, and conversion ID, that is mean the transaction ID. For that two card, we do not find out any transaction ID. So for the triggering, we are adding that two card event. So if I am showing you how can you create that two card here, you have to adding the event name at two card. You can go to the tag assistant. The event name is that two card. So I am simply adding that two card event for that two card event. Now giving the tag name, that is ready at two card. Save it. So now I'm go to the purchase event. That is the tricky one. And for the another event you can create the. So I'm go to the purchase event to create. For the another event, you know that how to create it, because I'm already shown you at two cart. So for the initiate checkout or begin checkout, you can run it. So go to the Reddit, and I have to adding the pixel ID because previously I'm already create the constant variable for it. Reddit pixel, and even fire, that will be the purchase. So for the purchase event, we are adding the currency because currency will be the same Reddit currency value. Then go to the tag assistant and then go to the purchase. For the e-commerce value, that will be also working. So I am adding the value for it. Reddit value for single product. That is not the single product, that for the multiple product. Item count. Item count will be the, if I go to the multiple product, that will not the work for the single product. So from here, so I am adding the quantity, so plus sign and also plus sign. and variable configuration. From that, we are using the custom JavaScript because we are captured the all item. Suppose anybody comes to your website, they are buying the 5 product. So by using this code, you have to track the all product, 5 product. So you do not. So we are using this code quantity, paste it, and in the so we are giving the name CGS total quantity for Reddit, because I have to also understand that. So I am adding the quantity transaction ID. You can go to the tag assistant, Google Tag Manager tag assistant. Here you can see the transaction ID. So go to create the transaction ID, also plus sign and tag configuration, data layer variable, and e-commerce the transaction ID. So we are giving the variable name, that is Reddit transaction ID. Save it, and conversion ID that will also need for the server side tracking for deduplicate the event. So now I do not use the transaction ID on it. Now you have to add in the for the browser side. You do not. I recommended you do not use the advanced matching. We are using the future for server side. So because we are doing the both, but you can also send it. You can go to the tag assistant, and here you can see the customer ID, customer name, postcode, city, all of that. So suppose you have to find out a buyer who are interested only the browser set, then you can also send the customer ID. How? You can add the row, and here you can see the email. So I am adding the email. So if I go to the tag assistant, we have to find out the email here, email. So my recommendation is you have to sending the hashing email. So if you do not hash the email, if you do not find out, so you can send the billing email, but the best practice is you have to send the hash email. So you just go to my YouTube channel. Also, you can find out how to hash the event parameter. So I'm adding the billing email hash. So I'm copy it. So I'll go to the customer dot billing email hash. So plus sign, also plus sign, and variable configuration, that will be the data layer variable customer dot billing email hash. So ready will be variable email. Save it and add row. You have to add in the phone number. So also the same process, plus sign and data layer variable and billing phone. And here in if you back to the tag assistant, here you can see the billing phone. So customer dot billing ready billing phone. Save it. So we are adding it now. We are set up the trigger for purchase event. Here you can see the purchase. So we are done, just giving the tag name, that is Reddit purchase. Save it and submit it, publish it, skip. We are testing on it. So back to workspace to testing it. Our tag is perfectly working or not. So go to preview, continue, and that is our website. In the right side, our tag assistant perfectly connected with our website. Go to any product page, add to cart. Finally, click the place and order button. If I go to the Pixel helper, here you can see that our purchase event perfectly working, and Pixel ID, URL, and the value. You can see that 15.71 currency is USD. Transaction ID, we have to find out an advanced matching parameter, email, phone number. We are also adding with it. So product category name also we have to find out in the pixel helper. That means our event is perfectly working. If I go to the tag assistant and ready purchase, that is the tag. And if I go to the show more, there you can see that we have to find it each and every event parameter. So if I go to the event preview section, you can see that our add to cart and purchase, the all event is working perfectly. And if I am If I go to the purchase event, here you can see that that will cover as 100% validity, 100% validity, product ID, because I do not set up the catalog on the ads platform, because I am only set up the conversion API. If the ad are also working, then the product coverage will be the 100%, because you can see the catalog. What is the catalog? Catalog means that your website product are receiving the Reddit platform. Reddit platform are receiving your all website product. That means simply catalog. So I do not adding the catalog because I am not the ad optimizer. I am also a specialist on the tracking. So the catalog is not find out here. So it will show on the 0% match rate. I hope you understand. And in the CAPI, I do not set up the server side also. So I hope you can understand each and everything. We are perfectly set up the Reddit pixel for the browser side for e-commerce, all event. I hope this video is helpful for you. In future, I will show you how to set up the server side tracking. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you again with the server side tracking. Take care. Bye bye.